naka-on yan. Pag naka-on, nakalagay dyan, username Cisco, password Cisco. Kung tayo sa admin, command prompt, na-type nyo, doon sa command prompt, okay guys, sa command prompt, na-type nyo, na-type nyo doon is FTP, tapos yung address ng FTP server, which is 172.16. 172.16.100.5. Pag-enter nyo, hihingi ng username yan. Username Cisco, ang password Cisco din. DIR nyo, makikita nyo yung mga email na pwede nyo download. So, lalagay nyo get email.text. Enter. .tp. So, let's get email.text. Okay? Pag nakita nyo yung transfer complete, nakuha nyo na yung file. Dalawa actually yung na-download nyo. Yung isa is get usernames.text. Hindi sa download na to, na-download nyo na kanina. Pagka-download nyo, pupunta kayo dito sa text editor. Pag-click nyo ng text editor, file, open, nandito na yung email at saka username. Username, pag-click nyo, okay. Ito na yung mga username. Kay Cisco A, Alvin. Cisco B, Eric, Jerion, Anyag, Gian, Krisha. Okay? Question. Yung passwords, okay, for the sake of your question, this one, ni Mr. Cecil at saka ni Ms. Cueto. Okay, so open nyo muna guys, is 0.3 yung version ng Pocket Tracer natin. Sa Pocket Tracer, open natin, click. Okay, Pocket Tracer.
Pangit ng disco ba no? Ay! Idol lang ako kita. Complete na kasi sila eh.
Okay, for yung mga password, for example, no? Ito guys, hindi clickable. Lalagay nyo siya ng PC or laptop. Okay? So, console. RS232, console. Okay, so like in this case, username, eto si display. Display is Alvin ba? Alvin. Ang password, ang unang password, used to provide cyclic redundancy checking. FCS. Pasok ang tsamba. Enable. Used for synchronization. Tsamba na naman. Okay? Another example, Cisco B. Username, this one is Eric. Okay, ang tanong is, capacity of video to carry data. That is bandwidth. Bumaba ko. Pwede. Enable password. Internet uses this to detect handheld collisions and manage resumption of communication. In Ethernet. Sa Ethernet, ano nagamit natin? CSFA CD. Okay. Gets ba? Siyempre may slash. In this case, for example, desktop, terminal, okay. This one is Deleon. Password. This binds IP address and MAC address. This one is ARP. Enable. It provides electrical bandwidth on all ports. Switch. Di ako papasok. Okay, as easy as that. Yan ang kadaling activity natin.
Amazing.